Join us in London for a hands-on endo course on Friday, September 6th that will change the way you approach endodontics. Led by the renowned endodontic specialist Dr. Daniel Flynn, this course offers a unique opportunity for general dentists to master a simplified method for managing complex curves. You'll work on a double-curved 3D printed tooth that's unlike any other training tool. Say goodbye to the usual plastic blocks and teeth. This is the real challenge you've been waiting for. Learn the tactile controlled activation technique along with Dr. Flynn's expert hints and tricks for navigating complex anatomy. You'll also discover how to tackle obturating curved canals with ease and predictability. Don't miss this chance to enhance your skills and boost your confidence. Sign up now and unlock the secrets of endodontics with Dr. Flynn in London. Ready to take the plunge? Click the link below and secure your spot today. See you in London.